I am Kandibabu. I am working as English teacher in MJP BCWR School, Samasa. Today we are going to discuss about direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech and indirect speech. There are two ways we reporting what a person says. That is direct speech and indirect speech. First we have to know about direct speech. Direct speech is nothing but the exact words of a speaker are reproduced in direct speech. The exact words of a speaker are reproduced in direct speech. Ravi said, I am a vegetarian. Ravi said, I am a vegetarian. So, these are the exact words of the speaker. So, it is called direct speech. Before these exact words, we place comma or colon before these exact words. The sentence with the quotation marks should be started with the capital letter. The sentence with the quotation marks should be started with the capital letter. Now we have to know about indirect speech. Indirect speech is nothing but the exact meaning of a speaker's words. Words are expressed in indirect speech. So, indirect speech is nothing but the exact meaning of a speaker's words are expressed in indirect speech. Example, Ravi said that he was a vegetarian. Ravi said that he was a vegetarian. So it is indirect speech. Now we have to know how do we change direct speech into indirect speech. The first example is Ravi said, I am a vegetarian. Ravi said, I am a vegetarian. So, it is in direct speech, short form DS. So, now we have to know how do we change direct speech into indirect speech. Here, we observe there are two parts. The first part is called reporting part. The second part is called reported part. The first part is called reporting part and the second part is called reported part. When we change direct speech into indirect speech, we should not change the reporting part. We change only the reported part. We change only the reported part. Here Ravi said, here we should write the conjunction that instead of comma and quotation marks. Then we have to convert the reported part. So here I is the first person in direct speech. It is changed as a third person into indirect speech. Then we write was instead of am, because the reporting part in past tense. So we have to convert reported part into past tense. That he was a vegetarian. It is indirect speech, short form IDS. Another example is Murthy said, I am coming. Murthy said, I am coming. Already I told, when we change direct speech into indirect speech, first we have to underline reporting part and reported part. Here reporting part is Murthy said. Reporting part. I am coming is, it is reported part. When we change direct speech into indirect speech, we change only the reported part. We should not change the reporting part. So, Murthy said, that we use that instead of comma and quotation marks. I is the first person in direct speech. It is changed as a third person in indirect speech. He was coming. Murthy said that he was coming. Now we have to know change of tense in reported speech. The first one is the simple present becomes simple past tense. Second one is the present continuous. The present continuous becomes past continuous. Third one is the present perfect becomes the past perfect. Fourth one is the present perfect continuous becomes the past perfect continuous. These are the changing of tenses in reported speech. Now we have to know how do we change simple present into simple past tense in reported speech using the structures of these two tenses. The structure of simple present tense is subject plus V1 plus object. The structure of simple past tense is subject plus V2 plus object. Example is Mohan said, I take bread and jam in the morning. Mohan said, I take bread and jam in the morning. So, already I told, first we have to underline reporting part and reported part. Here, Mohan said is the reporting part. I take bread and jam in the morning, it is reported part. Here, Mohan said that is the conjunction. We have to write instead of comma and quotation marks. Now we have to write first person in the direct speech change as a third person, he. Next, take is verb 1. So it is in present tense. Here reporting part is past tense. So we have to change, it is also in past tense. So take took. He took bread and jam in the morning. This direct speech, part from DS is indirect speech, IDS. We will see the remaining three tenses in next class.